Hi all, Neci Love Harmon here of Whatsshecreating Enterprises, and today we are going to be adding thread to the empty bobbin of the Singer Simple 3337 sewing machine. So make sure that you have your spool thread here as well as an empty bobbin because we are going to get started. So let's go. Okay, first thing you need to do is to take the foot pedal and put it on the floor because we are going to be utilizing that. And I'm going to place my bobbin here on the bobbin winder spindle. If you check out the guides here in blue, it shows you how to wrap it around the circle here, place the thread through the bobbin, and then click the bobbin, put the bobbin on and click the bobbin over. So that's what we are going to be doing now. All right, first thing I'm going to do is take my spool holder off and put the thread on. Then I'm going to put my spool holder there and we're good to go. I'm going to take it and put it through the thread guide there. So all I did was take the thread and kind of come up so that it'll loop up over it. Okay, so that it's in the particular thread guide. So if I do it from the side here, you see that there's like a little loop here. So I'm going to take it and just clip it in there. Okay, so that's number one. Number one also states that we're supposed to take it and put it around the circle. So I put it around the circle just like the diagram. Okay, great. Let's go to number three. All right, for number three, what I will usually do is take a pair of scissors. Now I'll be using snips here if they're going to work for me. And I'm going to cut the thread at the end so that it's very, very sharp. So it'll be easy to put it through. Okay, so my end is sharp now. Some people put the thread in their mouth, but I don't do that anymore because that's old school. All right, new school, we cut. Okay, here we go. Take your bobbin and you'll see that there is an opening here in the circle and then there may be a closed circle. So we're going to take the end of the thread and put it through the open circle going up through the top only of the bobbin. So here we go. Just like that. Okay. Hopefully you can see that. I'm going only through the top of it. Okay. Don't loop the bottom. All right. I'm going to take it and put it on my bobbin winder spindle. Click it down. Okay. Just like that. You are going to need a pair of scissors for what's coming next. For number 5 is click it over. And then what that does is it stops the needle from going up and down. Hold the thread in your hand very, very tight because once you push the foot pedal, it's going to try to take it out your hand. So I'm going to push the foot pedal for 3 seconds just so it can start to wind. Okay, about like that. That may have been 2 seconds, but I'm going to take the scissors and cut them close to the bobbin, the clear part. And then I'm going to continue to push. Now you see that it actually kind of stops moving now. Like I can't put any more thread on it. So I know that it's done now. All right, so I'm going to take it, cut the thread, and then click it back to the left and take it off. Check out your bobbin. It should be nice and tight. If it's loopy or loose, then you're going to have to rethread the bobbin. That's how you add thread to the bobbin of the Singer Simple 3337 series sewing machine. So thank you for watching this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe and like our videos. Give us video ideas. Hit that super thanks. Check us out on our socials, as well as we have online courses that are here, as well as digital patterns and other merchandise. So thank you for watching this tutorial and happy sewing.